Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another one of my Zodiac sign series, and this makeup is inspired by the Zodiac sign Cancer that has just started on June 21st. If you like videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday and Thursday. You can also follow me on Instagram, but if you want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did one eye and also my brows. For my brows, I used the L'Oreal Unbelievable Brow. And now I am priming my lid with the Essence Camouflage Concealer. Okay, so on my research, the Cancer Zodiac sign kind of color palette, it said baby pinks, light gray and silver, light purple and purple. Okay, so I kinda didn't know how to do the gray thing, so I didn't do it. I added some silver glitter. Now I'm just setting the concealer with a little bit of powder. For eyeshadow, first I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and for this I'm using these two shades and then this light one, and then I'm also using the Revolution Life on the Dance Floor Sparklers palette, and from this palette I'm using this shade, this one and this one. Okay, so I'm starting with the NYX palette with the darkest purple, and I'm using a small but dense brush, and I am going to pack the color on my outer corner in a shape of a V. I'm also taking it to my crease a little bit. Then I am taking just a little bit of this one to blend the upper part of this outer corner. I kind of used a little bit on the other eye and thought it was too pink, but I gotta make them even. To really blend that upper part, I'm taking a very fluffy brush with this really light kind of lilac color, and I am blending it really up to my brow. But I still want a lot of color to show up. If I feel like I need just a little bit, I am adding more of that first purple shade so that we don't lose the purple color. And we can really drag it out because later we can clean it up with the wipe. So next I took a little bit of this purple to kind of make this outer part more purple, and also to bring the color a little bit onto my lid. I'm adding a little bit and dragging it in. So now for that cut crease part, I'm just going to cut my crease till like this point. It's just a little bit over half a lid. Now on this central part, I'm going to take this shade, and then on the inner corner this one. The shimmers on this palette are really pigmented. I'm not using the brush wet, but if you want you can use it wet or even use them with your finger. I am packing the color and then swiping a little bit of it out. And now with this lighter color I'm gonna do the same, drag it a little bit on top of the other. If you want to, you can add a little bit more of that one in the middle. Now for this part the eyeshadow is done, then I'll just have to do the lower lash line. Now for this silver glitter, I'm using the Kiko glitter eyeliner. This is the one in the shade 02. I think they have a 01 that is kind of a holographic eyeliner. And I'm really just doing a very fine line where I've cut the crease till about this point here. Add a little bit more to the other side. Now to create the black winged liner, I'm using the Kiko Lip Me Lots eyeliner. Okay, so here we have kind of a medium-sized wing. On my waterline I'm adding the Kiko Everlasting Kajal. For mascara I'm using the L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic. Okay, so now I'm just going to do my usual base. I'm using the Kiko Skin Tone Foundation. For concealer I'm using again the Essence Camouflage. And then for powder I'm using the Primark Banana Pressed Powder. That is the one that I used to set the concealer on my lid. So I'm just going to do this and then I'll be right back. Okay, so my base is done, and I actually forgot to mention, for primer I use the Body Shop Wonder Blur Primer, and this is actually their old packaging, but this is really good to minimize pores. And now I just gotta finish my lower lash line, and for that I'm going to use this dark color on the NYX palette closer to the outer corners, and then I'm going to blend all over the lower lash line with this lilac color. And now, just like I did on top, I'm going to add the Kiko Kajal on my waterline and the L'Oreal mascara. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my face. So for bronzer I'm using the Cien bronzing powder from LIDL, and this is more of a cool tone bronzer, so I thought it would go better with this look. bit more subtle. Now for blush and highlighter, I'm gonna add a little bit more pink to this look. So for blush, I'm using the I Heart Revolution Blushing Hearts. This one's in the shade Bursting with Love. And for highlighter, I'm using the Goddess of Love, also from I Heart Revolution. It looks like this, and this one has kind of a pink undertone. Just mixing the three shades together and tapping off the excess. Still with the highlighter, I'm taking a small brush and adding it to my inner corner and also to the brow bone. For my lips, I'm using the Revolution Nudes collection in the shade Skinny Dip, and I don't think I said this is a gloss. Is kind of a nude, but it will pick up a lot of those pink purple tones. And finally, to set this makeup, I'm using the Primark Fix and Perfect. Okay, so this is the finished look. Let me give you a close-up of the eyes. So this is what the eyes look like. The silver eyeliner is a little hard with hooded eyes, but I think it came out fairly similar, because I actually think I have one eye more hooded than the other, but with practice you kind of figure it out. And I am very happy with how this look turned out. And yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know if Cancer is your zodiac sign and when is your birthday. If you liked any of this makeup, don't forget I always leave everything linked in the description box. And if you want to see the previous zodiac makeup that I've done, I will leave the playlist on the cards. And if you want to see the next zodiac makeup I'll do and more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday and Thursday. And that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!